Video 21, Part 4A of 25, Importance of the Collect Requirements Process. The objective of this video is to present the importance of the Collect Requirements process and the problems that arise when it is handled inappropriately. The Collect Requirements process is the second process in the Project Scope Management knowledge area and is related to the Planning Process group. Please click the like button. Subscribe to my channel and share with others. Thank you. How important is the PMBOK Collect Requirements process in the Planning Process group? The Collect Requirements process is the second process in the Project Scope Management knowledge area and is related to the Planning Process group. The Collect Requirements process in the Planning Process group of the PMBOK guide is critically important because it lays the foundation for project success by defining and documenting stakeholders' needs and expectations. The reasons why it is important are: 1. Ensures clear project scope. Collect Requirements process helps define what the project will deliver, preventing scope creep. Without well-documented requirements, the project may suffer from misalignment, rework, or failure to meet stakeholder expectations. 2. Drives key project documents. The outputs of the Collect Requirements process feed into the project scope statement, work breakdown structure, and project plan. It also influences quality, risk, and communication plans, ensuring all aspects of the project align with stakeholder needs. 3. Reduces risks and conflicts. Unclear or missing requirements lead to cost overruns, delays, and stakeholder dissatisfaction. Properly collected requirements help in risk identification and setting realistic expectations. 4. Supports stakeholder engagement. Engaging stakeholders early ensures their needs are captured, increasing buy-in and reducing resistance later. Techniques like interviews, surveys, and workshops help uncover both explicit and implicit requirements. 5. Basis for verification and validation. Requirements serve as the benchmark for testing, user acceptance, and project success criteria. If requirements are vague, incomplete, or contradictory, measuring project success becomes subjective because there's no clear benchmark to verify against. If requirements were poorly gathered, such as missing key stakeholder input, the system may pass verification but still fail in real-world use. 6. Impacts procurement and contracts. If external vendors are involved, clear requirements are essential for RFPs, contracts, and deliverables. In conclusion, the Collect Requirements process is one of the most crucial steps in project planning because it directly influences scope definition, stakeholder satisfaction, and overall project success. Skipping or rushing this step often leads to failed projects, wasted resources, and frustrated teams. What are the problems if the requirements gathering process is not performed in the Planning Process group as required? If the Collect Requirements process is skipped, rushed, or inadequately performed in the Planning Process group, it can lead to severe problems throughout the project lifecycle. Here are the key issues that may arise. 1. Unclear or incomplete scope definition. Without proper requirements, the project scope becomes vague, leading to: first, scope creep resulting in uncontrolled changes. Second, gold plating with the addition of unnecessary features. Third, misalignment between deliverables and stakeholder expectations. Fourth, failed projects, such as software that doesn't meet user needs. 2. Poor stakeholder satisfaction. If key needs are not captured early, first, stakeholders may reject deliverables, leading to rework and delays. Second, conflicts arise due to unmet expectations. Third, low user adoption if the final product doesn't solve real problems. Fourth, reputation damage, such as unhappy clients refusing future work. 3. Increased costs and schedule overruns. Late discovery of missing requirements forces. First, expensive mid-project changes. Owned. Rework in development, testing, or procurement. Third, delays as teams scramble to accommodate new demands. Fourth, budget blowouts, such as construction projects requiring redesigns. 4. Higher risk of project failure. Without documented requirements, first, critical functionalities may be missed. Second, quality suffers because acceptance criteria are undefined. Third, disputes may arise over what was promised versus delivered. 5. Ineffective planning and execution. Downstream processes rely on requirements. First, WBS and scheduling. Tasks may be incomplete or incorrect. Second, risk management. Unknown requirements introduce unforeseen risks. Third, procurement. Contracts may lack proper specifications, leading to vendor disputes. 6. Weak testing and validation. Without clear requirements, first, test cases may not cover real business needs. Second, user acceptance testing fails because stakeholders don't agree on success criteria. 7. Poor communication and team frustration. Teams work based on assumptions, leading to, first, confusion between developers, testers, and business teams. Second, blame games when deliverables don't match expectations. In conclusion, inadequate requirements gathering is a leading cause of project failure. Investing time in complete, clear, and well-communicated requirements saves costs, reduces risk, and ensures a successful outcome. To avoid the problems created by inadequate requirements gathering, you should involve stakeholders early, including users, customers, developers, and testers. Use structured techniques such as interviews, surveys, workshops, and prototyping. Document requirements clearly using user stories, acceptance criteria, and diagrams. Validate and verify requirements with stakeholders before development. Prioritize requirements using the Moscow method: must, should, may, not. This video is finished. For the next video we will have 1. Creation of WBS for different projects using WBS Schedule Pro. 2. Examples of project plans using MS Project. And many more videos. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like this video and want us to continue with new topics. Subscribe to the channel. All content is free. You can also comment suggesting topics you would like to see on this channel. Thank you.